pen, no book. Just listen, speak and learn. Fluent speakers are not smarter. They just practice differently. In this video, we learn basic question and answering conversation. So, let's get started. Do you use subtitles? Do you use subtitles? Sometimes when I don't understand. Sometimes when I don't understand. Do you listen to music? Do you listen to music? Yes, I listen every day. Yes, I listen every day. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? I like rock and classical music. I like rock and classical music. Do you play any instrument? Do you play any instruments? I played piano when I was younger. I played piano when I was younger. Would you like to learn again? Would you like to learn again? Maybe someday when I have more time. Maybe someday when I have more time. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I try to exercise regularly. Yes, I try to exercise regularly. What kind of exercise do you do? What kind of exercise do you do? I go jogging and yoga in the park. I go jogging and yoga in the park. Do you go to a gym? Do you go to a gym? No, I prefer outdoor activities. No, I prefer outdoor activities. How long do you exercise each time? How long do you exercise each time? About 1 hour usually. About 1 hour usually. Do you feel tired after exercise? Do you feel tired after exercise? A little, but I feel good. A little but I good feel. यदि ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही होगी तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिएगा कि आप इस वीडियो में और क्या चाहते हैं। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।